In the vast expanse of our planet's oceans, there exists a creature of such grandeur and majesty that it commands our awe and respect. Today, we journey into the deep blue to meet the whale shark, the largest fish species on Earth. The whale shark is a marvel of nature's design. Its skin, a canvas of light spots and stripes against a dark backdrop, is as unique to each individual as a human fingerprint. Despite their formidable size, with lengths reaching up to 18 meters, whale sharks are creatures of grace and tranquility. They glide through the water with a calmness that belies their size, filtering tiny organisms like plankton, small fish, and crustaceans from the water. The life of a whale shark is a long one, with estimates suggesting they can live for over a century. They reach sexual maturity around the age of 30. Yet, much about their reproduction remains shrouded in mystery, with little known about their mating habits or how they find each other in the vastness of the ocean. For those fortunate enough to encounter these gentle giants in the wild, it is an experience of a lifetime. The docile nature allows divers to swim alongside them, observing their beauty up close. But we must remember to respect their space and not disturb their natural behavior. The whale shark is a creature of many wonders. Did you know that they can process over 6,000 liters of water an hour through their gills? Or that despite their massive size, they feed on some of the smallest creatures in the ocean? Whale sharks are found in warm waters around the globe. One such place is the Philippines, specifically the region of Cebu. In Cebu, particularly in the town of Oslob, whale shark watching has become a popular tourist attraction. However, this practice has raised concerns among conservationists. The hand-feeding of whale sharks to guarantee sightings could potentially disrupt their natural behavior and migratory patterns. Despite their gentle nature and lack of threat to humans, whale sharks are listed as an endangered species. They face threats from fisheries as bycatch and vessel strikes. It is our duty, as stewards of this planet, to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for future generations. Have you ever encountered a whale shark? What was your experience like? We invite you to share your stories in the comments below. Did you know that each whale shark has a unique pattern of spots and stripes, much like a human fingerprint? This allows for precise tracking of individual sharks. If you have photographs of whale sharks, consider contributing them to conservation programs. Your contributions can help researchers track these magnificent creatures and better understand their behaviors and migratory patterns. Conservation programs around the world are working tirelessly to protect these gentle giants. If you know of such programs, we encourage you to share this information. Together, we can make a difference. As we conclude our journey with the whale sharks, we leave you with a sense of wonder and a call to action. Let's do our part to protect the inhabitants of our oceans. After all, we share this planet with them. It is a world that deserves our respect, our admiration, and most importantly, our protection. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.